Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change your password on your PC or your Windows 10. So just watch and follow this video till the end. First you have to click on Window and open your settings. So here, as you can see, here is the settings. What you should do, come here to Accounts and click on it. So in Accounts you're gonna find many options. Just go here to this bar and click on sign in options. So right now you will find here password, click on it, click on change, and you have to click your current password first, and right now click new one and confirm it, and you have to confirm it again and click on next. And that's all. So guys, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and also subscribe. See you in another video.